I don't know if you're going to guess what this tree is, but by the end of the video, most of you will know. Today we're transplanting a young tree into a larger container, and I want to turn this into a little game. Watch carefully, pay attention to the details, and at the end tell me in the comments what tree you think this is. Let's start. The first thing we're going to do is prepare these two containers. We're going to drill proper drainage holes because this tree absolutely hates waterlogging. And when I say hates, I mean it. If the roots sit in water, it will suffer quickly. So drainage is not optional. It's essential. We're going to speed this part up a little, but the important thing is that the holes are large enough to allow water to escape freely. Good drainage is the foundation of healthy root development. Now, before I reveal more clues about the tree, let's prepare the soil mix. We're mixing garden soil with a bit of compost. The compost improves structure, helps drainage, and adds nutrients. If you have perlite, adding some perlite would make it even better because it improves aeration and prevents compacted soil. This tree does not like heavy, compacted soil. It needs oxygen at the roots. We usually water this plant once or twice per week. The goal is to keep the soil slightly moist, never soaked. Moist but never waterlogged. That balance is key. Now, before adding the soil, we're going to place stones at the bottom of the container. In this case, we're using broken bricks. This layer helps prevent water accumulation at the base and improves drainage. The water will flow down through the soil and escape properly instead of sitting at the bottom. Again, this tree does not tolerate excess water. Now we add the soil mixture. And here comes an important detail. When transplanting, we're going to cover slightly above the previous root level. Not too deep, but just enough to stabilize the plant and encourage strong root development. The first month is crucial. We are not looking for fruit. This is very important. The first year is about roots and structure. We want strong roots below and 4 main branches above that will form the future shape of the tree. So we're going to do some formation pruning. These branches are too long right now. If we let them grow freely, the tree will waste energy growing upward instead of strengthening its base. So we prune. We cut back the branches and leave a couple of buds. From those buds, new controlled branches will emerge. This is how you guide young tree development. Many people are afraid to prune young trees. But pruning at the right time helps concentrate energy where it matters. Stronger roots. Stronger structure. Better fruit production in future seasons. We're not in a rush. This year is about building the foundation. After making the cuts, we apply pruning paste, also known as healing paste, to seal the wound. This protects the plant from infections and helps the cut heal properly. I'll leave the healing paste link below in the description if you want to check it out. And now, look at the plant again. Based on everything you've seen, the watering frequency, the need for drainage, the pruning style, the dislike for waterlogging, the way we're shaping it. What tree do you think this is? Drop your guess in the comments. By the end of the season, we'll see who was right. If you enjoyed this type of practical gardening video and want more transplanting tips, pruning guides, and fruit tree formation strategies, subscribe and let me know. And now we finish with a final watering. See you in the next one.